Hi again, this is the part 2 of this amazing beret. I hope you will keep watching and crochet this gorgeous 3D leaves beret. Let's start to finish our project. I complete the 8th row. Now here, not count this chain 1, join with a slip stitch here. Actually do the same thing. We decrease here 4 to 2. We crochet same back post, 2 back post, then increase here 3 front post, V stitch 3 front post, and crochet 2 back post. As same as I will show you. Yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2, insert the second one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together 1, and these 2 crochet together again, pull through 2, and pull through 2, pull through all together. We decrease 4 to 2, then crochet 2 back post, 1 and 2. Then here crochet 3 front post, 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, insert the chain 1 space and make V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then crochet 3 front post, double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Come to here, 2 back post. Decreasing, same back post, 2 back post, 3 front post, in chain 1 space, V stitch, 3 front post, 2 back post. I complete 9th round after turn 2. I complete the 9th row. Yes, 9th row. Now join it to here with slip stitch. Now we will decrease it 2 to 1 and close this sleeve. Crochet 2 back post again and crochet this time, this is last increase of this sleeve, 4 front post, V stitch, and 4 front post, 2 back post, as same as actually we will do. Chain 1 and not count, yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together and close this sleeve. Yarn over, crochet 2 back post, then come to the second leaf and crochet 4 front post, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come to chain 1 space and make your V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then crochet 4 front post, double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then crochet 2 back post, 1 and 2. Decrease it 2 to 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through together. 2 back post, 4 front post, in chain 1 space, V stitch, 4 front post, 2 back post. Complete the 10th round and turn 2. I complete the 10th row, join with a slip stitch. Now make 1 slip stitch and come to top of this leaf. Okay, here. Now this centimeter is not enough for make a beret, so we need to increase that. We will open here new leaf. So here I will make V stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, 3 for my double crochet, 1 for space, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make double crochet. I made V stitch top of that closing leaf. Then yarn over and insert my hook from this back post, make here 2 back post, 1 and 2. Then Between of the back post and this front post, make usual double crochet. We will start this leaf closing, so we need to start decrease. We have here 10 stitch, we decrease it to 8. Yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last 2 crochet together, pull through 2, last of it, pull through 2, pull through all together. I decrease it 8. Now we will make in the space usual double, 2 back post, top of the leaf, make V stitch, double, chain 1, double, 2 back post double crochet, then make double crochet, usual double in the space. Then here 10 to 8, first 2 stitch crochet together and decrease 1, next one 2, next one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last 2 together 8. After this decreasing leaf, in the space make usual double, then 2 back post, 1 and 2, come to closing leaf stop and make V stitch, double, chain 1, in the same stitch make 1 more double, then 2 back post double crochet, 1 and 2. Before off to this decreasing leaf, make usual double in the space. This is the 11th round. I complete it and turn to you. I come to end of the 14th round. Make my usual double crochet in the space. Make here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 back post, and come to top of this front post, join with a slip stitch. Now I want to measure that width. It's 25 centimeter. It's enough to increasing. We put usual double crochets, you know. I'm not put anymore, but if you use more thinner yarn than me, you will keep put increase that usual double. Okay, I'm not put anymore this usual double crochet for increase that. Now chain 1, yarn over. I'm start to make 15th round. My front posts 1, 2, 3, 4, front post double crochet, then make here double, chain 1, double. This is the last increasing of this leaf. After that we start to close it. Then make here 1, 2, 3 and 4 front post double crochet. Not make here increasing usual double because the width is enough for me. So make here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 back post double crochet. Decrease this 2 to 1. Pull through 2, insert the second one, pull through 2, pull through all together and close that leaf. Then make here 6 back post, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then the last increase of this leaf, 2 3 and 4 front post, in chain 1 space, double, chain 1, double, then make 4 front post. Then 6 back posts. After, decrease it 2 to 1, 6 back post, and make your last increasing for this leaf. I complete this 15th round and turn to you. I come to end of the 16th row. Now join with a slip stitch here. Now we start to decrease that and not open new leaf here. Always crochet, back post, double crochet. That's it. After that we will close this leaf, and between of these closing leaves only crochet back post. Our work more easier. Chain 1 and knot count, yarn over, insert the first one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and last 2 stitch crochet together, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, 10 to 8. I decrease here. Now we will crochet here 1 2 3 4 5 6, the top of the leaf, 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 back post, double crochet. Then decrease it, then crochet 13 back post, double crochet. I complete this round, 17th I think, after turn to you. I complete 17th round. After that, closing this leaf, I don't want to show anymore because it's the same. You will next round, 18th round, 8 to 6, then crochet 13 back post. After that, 6 to 4, 13 back post, 4 to 2, 13 back post, 2 to 1, 14 back post. When I complete that, I will turn to you and I will show you how you can keep crocheting and finish your beret. I complete these 4 rounds like that, decreasing my leaf and keep the same number of back posts. After, I will turn to you. I finish my rounds, I close my leaf and it gets this shape. Okay, now we will crochet only back post. I don't know how many rounds I will crochet it. Join with a slip stitch here, chain 1 and knot count, yarn over, insert back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, crochet the top of this leaf, 1 back post. Then you have here 13 back posts, so totally one set we will have again 14 double back post, double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is one set. When you come to top of this sleeve, again make one back post and keep crocheting. After all these rounds, we will crochet one back post on back post. Okay, I will crochet it and complete and turn to you after tell you how many rounds I crocheted on the back post. Okay, I complete and turn to you. Not make any increases, only back post double crochet. I crocheted 8 rows, but if you need it, you can make it more. Now 1 or 2 rounds I will make here brim parts. How we can do it, I will show you. Chain 1 and not count. This time 1 stitch front post double crochet, 1 stitch back post double crochet, front post, back post. I will turn all around like that. 1 front post, 1 back post. Maybe I will repeat it one more time. I finish and turn to you. I crochet 2 more rounds for rib parts. If you don't want to, you don't need to make it. Okay. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.